When we multiply two-term radical expressions, we use the same process that we used for multiplying two-term polynomials. We can think of applying the distributive property twice. Once for the first term of the first expression, and then again for the second term of the first expression. And then each one of these multiplications is done over the distributive property. Root 6 times root 6 is just 6. That's the square root of 36, which is 6. Root 6 times 4 root 5 is 4 root 30. Negative 2 root 5 times root 6 is negative 2 root 30. And then negative 2 root 5 times 4 root 5 is negative 8 times 5. The 2 and the 4 make the 8. The root 5 times the root 5 makes positive 5. You can see that we have this 6 here, which will be easily combined with the negative 40 that's going to come out of the back of the, or the final part of the expression. So 6 minus 40 is negative 34. And you'll notice in here that we have two radical terms, or two terms that have radical parts where the radicand is the same. Because the radicand is the same, we can subtract them. 4 root 30 minus 2 root 30 is just 2 root 30. And this is the final form of our expression. You want to be very careful when you write this final form, and we've seen this in the previous lessons, where we don't want this root to extend over the minus 34. When you write it very carefully. If it's easier for you, you also have the option to switch the terms and write it in the other order.